guys, welcome back to Tolash Media, where we bring to you the latest updates about your favorite celeb or your favorite artist. Don't forget to keep liking and subscribe. This is your first time watching our video, so you can get notified next time when we upload another video like this. And there is this performance that Burna Boy did that got a lot of people talking about, is that Burna Boy fans were really abusing Davido's fans. I've read out some of the some of the comments of what Burna Boy fans said. Here we have Meles Tizel. He said, the only African artist who sang the same in the studio and in the live performance, no auto-tune, remaining of African giants. Love from UK. We also have proof where he said, Burna Boy has proven to us that he is the biggest artist in Africa. Well, this time I wish him more success ahead. No one in Africa. Then we have this funniest one, I am King Jojo, where he said, if this doesn't give you a goosebumps, your skin are pomo. Oh, that was very funny right there. I want you to drop your comment, maybe what Burna Boy fans, what they were saying, maybe it's true or that's a very big lie. Because who is the best performer when it comes to stage performance? Who is the best in it? Like between Davido, Wizkid, and Burna Boy. I want you to drop your comment, and I believe you to watch the video of how Burna Boy perform and pull out many crowd in this video. Don't forget to keep liking and subscribe for more videos like this. Enjoy the video, guys.
Start to move like you smoke and I go. Just they bounce with the groove, no carry do. If you lose God, then go bounce with your boo. I can vouch for my crew. I'm telling you, that's what they do. Lifestyle of a group, make you dance, not they look. Then go they look. As if it's 99. If I do 99, go. Don't know how to show you my love without fucking up. But I can buy you a new baby. She from A to last. God, so